Hello everyone, this is Rahan and today we are gonna know how to add icon to Android app. So let's get started. First of all, create a new project. And suppose you take this empty activity and let's suppose name it add icon and let's suppose location should be this and click OK. Click OK. Now let's suppose this is build and now come here to this app and click right click and come to new here image asset and now here are two layers. One is foreground layer in which we insert an icon and the one is background layer. Let me understand you. Let's suppose I select the app icon here, flashlight. Let's suppose this. Okay, click OK, and now look here is it is changed. We can also make it trend here to do it good. Now the background layer. Look here, this color is showing in the background. In some icons, it is showing. So let me select that. If you want to select image, so click on this image and select from here. But I want to select color. Let's suppose click here. I can drop it. Let's suppose this. I have selected the color. Now come here and these should be the same and click on next. Look here, it is showing that your icon will be overwritten, but that's it alright. So click on finish. Now the app icon has been changed. You can check it out, but if there is any problem you can comment here in this video, and if you have any problem against other thing, so you can ask me in the comments, and if you got everything, so please like and subscribe to this channel.